Hello, my name is Iryna. I'm a stylist from Ukraine. In this video, I'll show you 3 everyday variants of stylish hairstyles. To make my hair voluminous, I will use the ClipHair extensions of light chestnut brown shade number 6. So, separate the bottom row of hair and fix the first ClipHair strand. Do it with all extensions. Next, I apply heat protection spray. With the help of hair straightener, I create careless waves. When the hair is curled, I stir the curls with my hands and fix with the help of hairspray. And the most interesting part. Do you know about the new trend of 2018? The kerchief in the hair. So the first version of the hairstyle is ready. Just simply tie kerchief around the head. Looks cute, right? The second variant, we create a low ponytail and make it voluminous. On the base of the ponytail, I tie a kerchief. This one is my favorite variant. The third variant is to make a high ponytail on the crown and form a voluminous bun. Now just tie a kerchief around your head. It's very simple and really beautiful. Write me in the comments which variant did you like more. Bye bye! New videos are coming soon.